If you want to use voice to text on POCO X8 Pro, take a look how easy it is. You have to first of all make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, because it's not working offline for the first, but after a few moments I'm going to show you how we can even set it up offline. Now you have to click on this icon and you have to grant permission to the microphone, and now your smartphone will recognize everything that you are gonna say. And if you want to use this offline, by the way, I was using this for my notes, take a look. That was the note that I was creating, and it was just working properly. So now as you can see, it will recognize everything. And by the way, you have to go to the settings, scroll to the additional settings. Now go for the languages and input, go to the manage keyboards, and you have to make sure that you just turn on the Google voice typing. And in this case, I have to actually reboot my device, but if you want to use it offline, then you have to download the language that you are using. So for me, English from United States and the United Kingdom, and also we have to enable updates for mobile data and a Wi-Fi. And that's basically how we can do this.